Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this look which is going to be perfect for this Valentine's Day. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'm shooting a makeup video after really long. So this makeup doesn't necessarily have to be a Valentine's Day makeup. You can definitely use this same look for a desi wedding, parties, whatever you feel like. So yes, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Now to begin with, I'm gonna be keeping my hair away from my face. So I'm thinking of going on a very subtle and glowing look, and for that I'm gonna be concentrating on skincare today. So I washed my face and now I'm gonna be using this Centella water alcohol free toner. This is from the brand CosRx. Sprayed it all over my face, and then I'm gonna wait for it to dry. By the time, I'm gonna be using another CosRx product, which is the advanced nail mucin essence. I'm taking 2 pumps of it. So I usually apply everywhere on my lips as well, so that my lips don't get very dehydrated. And now for moisturizer, I'm going to be using one of my favorite moisturizers from the Body Shop, which is the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. Now I'm going to be letting all the skincare set in my face for like 5 minutes and then continue with my makeup. Now it's been 5 minutes, and for my base I'm going to be using this MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light. I'm just taking very little of this product and then applying it only on the cheeks and forehead, a little bit on my chin. So now as you see, my skin naturally has a glow, and now we are going to be applying the eye makeup first. And for my eye makeup today, I'm going to be using this MAC paint pot in the shade Laying Low. You can just use a concealer, but I am using this today so that your eyeshadow stays for a very long time. And I'm going to be using this Art Library MAC palette. It has all these red shades. So I'm going to be doing a matte eyeshadow look today. For that, I'm going to be taking a transition shade and applying it on my lid. The most important thing about eyeshadows is that you should not take a lot of product at once and then, put it on your eyelid, because it's very difficult to remove the product. So what you do is slowly build the color to get the intensity. Now to intensify my crease, I'm going to be taking another shade from the palette, which is this one, and I'm just going to be applying it on the outer corners of my crease. Can you see the depth in my eyes now compared to how it was before? Now next, I'm going to be taking this plum shade here, and I'm going to be applying it just on my outer corners. Now the outer corner is done. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a flat brush, and then I'm going to be applying this white shade here, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. Now to blend in both the colors, I'm just going to be taking the same brush and blending these two. And I'm going to be softening this line as well in the center. Now I'm going to be taking this plum shade again, and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lashes. Next, I'm going to be drawing a wing, and for that I'm going to be using this NYX Epic Ink liner, which is a sketch eyeliner. Now that we are done with the eyes, let's continue to the face. Now for the face, first I'm going to be using a color corrector. You don't have to use a color corrector in case if you don't have any pigmentation like how I have. Like I have quite strong pigmentation around my mouth and a little bit under my eyes. If you don't have that, then you can absolutely skip this step. So I find my lips getting really dry, so I'm going to be applying some Lash lip balm. So by the time I finish my makeup, this lip balm will help my lips be all hydrated and ready for lipstick. Now I'm going to be applying a concealer. I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal True Match Nude Plumping Tinted Serum Foundation. Yes, so this foundation claims to be really hydrating on your skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid. So it is actually just like a serum but tinted. So just like how the name says, it is absolutely a tinted foundation, like a tinted serum foundation. I mean, it's so light and my skin is still so glowy. I think I need a little more of concealer, so I'm just gonna go on top with some concealer. Now for bronzing, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Bronze to Paradise bronzer. So this is something I like. I like contouring my forehead. You can skip it if you have a very small forehead, then don't go for it. But I like doing my forehead, a little bit on my jawline. And if you want to contour your nose, what you do is you pinch your brush like this. Take some bronzer and then just go on the sides of your nose. Next, I'm going to be applying a blush which is from Milani, and you must have seen me use this blush for the longest time in my channel. It is the blush number 3, which is called Berry Amour. Taking a blush brush, I'm just applying it on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be using a translucent powder to set all the other areas of my face so that my foundation doesn't move and stays all day long. So I'm using a small puff today to apply my powder. Make sure that you apply powder onto all the areas, especially on the areas where you have applied the concealer. Next, I'm going to be setting my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to be using this NYX Stick It eyebrow mascara. So it also has fibers in it, and I'm going to be combing my eyebrows upwards. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara on my lower lashes. And this is the Bambi Eyelash False Mascara, and this is from L'Oreal. Now I'm going to be applying this lipstick. This is from Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Color, and this is in the shade, what is the shade? So this is in the shade Date Night. So this is more like a glossy My Lips but better shade, and I like how it is, but I am still going on top with a lip liner. Okay, so this is how my final look is. So changed my outfit, did my hair, put on some jewelry, and this is how I look. So what I'm gonna do for my eyelashes is that I'm just gonna be applying mascara. I'm just skipping eyelashes today, like false lashes, and instead I'm just putting a good coat of mascara. And this is how my makeup turned out today. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.